Welcome to Random Pizza Jokes with me, Papa Za. Each episode will have 5 pizza jokes. You can tell us which one you like the best, or you can tell us which one was the worst. And if you got a pizza joke for us, leave it in the comments. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell.
5.
Did you hear about the Italian chef who passed away? His legacy will become a pizza history.
4.
What does a pizza love to do in its spare time? Go slice skating.
3.
My wife and I made a pizza to share. She got mad at me because I ate half. Granted, it was the top half.
2.
Pizzas topped with German sausage are the worst.
1.
What did the cheerleader order on her pizza? Extra pep. Well, those were something. We'll be back with 5 more pizza jokes, hopefully better than those ones. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more.